Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you want to make perfect bath bombs every single time, then don't mess around with those silly silicone molds. You got to get the real thing with this Pneumatic Bath Bomb Press machine from MAYIPLAY. The mold itself is just under 2.5 inches, and this is made out of stainless steel. It's really strong. Now, if you've ever made bath bombs before, you know that the recipe is essential in order to get one that isn't just going to fall apart. So if you do have issues with that, rest assured it is not the machine, it's your recipe. Once I got the recipe dialed in, I was really impressed with how quickly I could make them, and I had a lot of fun being able to mix and match colors. When I did 2 colors, I would add 1 color up to the edge of the base of the mold, and then I would switch to my second color, and then you can see I patted it down a little bit. And so if you fill it so that once it presses down, the middle mold is just about even with the outer mold, that is exactly the right amount. The orange air hose that came with this set had the wrong size fitting on it for our air compressor. So per the manufacturer's recommendations, we just cut that off and then used a push to connect fitting that was a 1/4 inch, which is the size of the hose. We put that on and then used a 1/4 inch NTP air hose female plug fitting to connect to that, and it went in perfectly. We also used a little bit of super glue on the female plug fitting to make sure that there was no leaking. I'm so pleased with how easy this machine made the process of making bath bombs. Now I can mass produce them for all of my friends, and that's my point of view.